Hello Instagram users, this is Carol and in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the main feature of our platform, which is the Reactions tab. You will click here on Reactions and the account you have already inserted on the platform will appear here. You click here on the account. So you check these tabs here. It comes straight to the Settings tab, which is the main one. Here you also have the Questions and Answers tab, which is to configure answers for the question box. You will have a video talking about this feature on our support page. Here is the activity log. After the configuration of the reactions, you start to see the notifications of these reactions here in the activity log. And in the Statistics tab, you will see the metrics of the performance of these reactions. So you will have these two options here of conference tabs that you will follow throughout the day. The configuration of the reactions is very simple and fast. You will do it with a few clicks in a few minutes. You will basically insert the targets and choose the reactions that you want the platform to do between your account and the followers of the targets you have chosen. Powered by Dubverse. So you choose the reactions that you want to configure. And at the end, you will click on Activated and Save. Powered by Dubverse. It is essential that you insert the targets so that the reactions happen. The platform is very intuitive and you have some instructions. So pay attention to these little texts that help you a lot to configure. Another important thing is the speed of the reactions. So, for example, here you have the recommendation of how to start. Especially at the beginning, it is very important to have the configuration there as we recommend. So here, start with less than 10, for example, in the like action. You will mark 5 here. Before making the configuration, I strongly recommend that you check on the support page the item 7, How to Reach My Target Audience. Here you have a series of recommendations to make good choices of the targets that you will insert here on the platform. Powered by Dubverse. So the first step is to insert the targets. After choosing your target list, following the recommendations, you will click here on this target button and it will open this section. So you see here that you have the possibilities of how you will insert these targets. You will choose the targets, profiles, competitors, profiles similar to yours and also hashtags that have to do with your audience. So you will choose what type of profile you will insert. And you will be able to insert one by one here in the bar, looking for it, or you will insert the target list. I will show you here how to insert the list. You will copy. I'm doing a strategy here, simulating as if it were a hamburger. So you choose here the targets you want and click on Insert. This process can take a while, because it will include there, it will look for each one and it will include one by one. So you need to wait a little while you are inserting. And then you can see that they start to appear down there. I will mark here the option, the type of target I want to insert and I will click here on the target list. Then I will copy my list here, in the case of hashtags. Powered by Dubverse. Put only the username. Then you put here one by line. And in the case of hashtags, you will put the name of the hashtag with the hashtag in front. In the same way, one by line. And then you will click on Insert. And they will be inserted down here. Note that you can change when you want. You will be able to click here on this X that erases. And then you can insert another one. Anyway, you can edit the way you prefer. Now you will choose the reactions that you want the platform to perform. Powered by Dubverse. You can mark the ones you want. You can set the frequency that this will happen once a day, 2 days. So you will have this interval here that you can choose as you prefer. In the general reactions here, look. Like is a very interesting option to get people's attention. And then, remember, it starts as recommended. Less than 10, you will mark 5. And then there are options that you will see here the guidelines and choose as you prefer. One of the main photos.